everybody, good morning. Guess what? Guess what? It's maintenance time, okay? It's December, maintenance time, but today is nails day. As you guys can see, I'm missing 2 nails, but that's okay. If you're new here, my name is Cheval. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. Everything you see me do over here, that's so Chev. Oh man, that's so Chev. Yeah, that's so Chev. So my nails appointment is supposed to be at 2 o'clock, but my nail tech reached out early this morning, and she's like, listen girl, we're gonna be late, things are gonna be running behind time today. So I said, do I come for 2? She was like, nah, I'll call you and tell you when to come. And I was like, all right, perfect. Hubby and I are on the road. I'm also getting some work done. We're picking up something to eat, so come along with me for today. So on the to-do list for the next couple of days, getting my nails done today. Tomorrow I'm getting my lashes done, and then on Saturday I'm getting my hair done. I don't know what set I'm getting for the event. So if you don't know, I'm going to Moya's Sip and Paint. I am Moya Spencer Sip and Paint, or aka Moya Slays Sip and Paint. I am one of the sponsors for her event. I'm supplying, as you guys know, I'm a water girl, so I'm supplying water, but I'm going as a guest. I'm not going as a sponsor. But I don't know what to do for my nails. If you don't know, it's painted pink, so we're wearing the theme. Everyone should be wearing pink. So I'm wearing a white top, something similar to this, but it's long sleeve and more off the shoulder, and then a nice pretty pants. I'm just hoping the outfit comes together the way that I want it to come together. But this is cute. What do you guys think about this? Let me turn around the camera. And what do you guys think about this nail set? I don't know what to choose. I just need like a nice pink nail set. I get all my nail ideas from Pinterest. My jewelry is not gonna be gold. My jewelry is gonna be pearl. So yeah, I don't know what to do. I just know it's gonna be like a nice pretty, I just need it to be like a nice pretty pink. Ooh, I like this one. So this is the inspo. That is the inspo. Yeah. All right, let's go see the lunch that hubby has bought. Oh, where are we? Nothing big, nothing. Babe, you bought juice?
Huh?
You get juice?
You want juice?
Yeah, I'm thirsty. Good afternoon.
Daniel, this is my wife. Baby, this is Daniel.
So you guys saw a little fit of the day, right? I showed you guys a little bit earlier today, but yeah, I feel so grown. I feel so mature. Listen, this is how I want to dress. These are the ways that I like to dress. I just like to dress very mature, very, covered these days, because my walk with the Lord is, I'm getting deeper with my walk in the Lord. I want to be modestly sexy, okay? Modestly sexy. So I'm fully covered. I look good, but I still look good. I'm fully covered, but I still look good. Yeah. Remember, our bodies are the temples of the Lord, so we gotta make sure, to take care of it. Oh, they look so good. I'm gonna put the business name on the screen. So the one with the chicken is hubby's own. They do delivery because they're in Crossroad. They do delivery. Shrimp platter. So it's shrimp, sweet potato, what the rest of this name? Salad. What's this name again? I don't remember. I'll soon tell you. So that tastes good. That tastes real good. Oh my, it tastes so good. The shrimp tastes so good. Egg roll. Vegetable egg roll. A vegetable roll. But it tastes so good. The shrimp. I put the company's name on the screen. It tastes really good. No lie. I'm trying to finish work because my nail tech just texted me and told me to come at 3.
Put on me first, so it bring it right back up.
So, but let's say it's about 9 o'clock tonight.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Why?
I don't know. Oh, we're missing,
How you feel? How you
missing
feel?
2 fingernails.
You're missing 2 fingers? Why would I leave to eat 9
I
o'clock?
don't know. So your book and
you
busy.
pedicure. Which book I'm busy? Me have a day when she done the pedicure.
Okay.
Do you want me all, Chef?
Huh?
Unless you have some baga.
Me no tell me. Getting ready for leaving out for my appointment. No, my appointment is at 3 o'clock. It's 2:28 and it's all the way in Crossroad. I am hoping that we make it because I don't like to be late. I hate being late. Sorry for the noise, guys. I hate being late. So hopefully we can make it. Reach, but I'm like 13 minutes late. Guys, I'm so late for my appointment. Blame my husband. He is the reason for me always being late. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm coming to Brick Brand for something. I don't remember what I came in Brick Brand for, but I saw these trucks for my boys. I'm such a boy mom. Everywhere I go, I want to get toys for my boys. Anyways, I'm not about to buy them a truck, but the prices are reasonable. I'm just gonna come go because hubby's been waiting on me for how long? You know how long the hubby has been out here waiting on me. Hello, get you a good man, a man that is going to sit down and wait on you to finish your appointment. He ain't going nowhere. Hi baby.
Princess. But you're a pretty little princess.
You're a pretty little princess. You're big princess.
It's my little princess.
What's up?
You look beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, my love. You love it. I love it too. Good night, guys. Good night. I literally just got home. I don't feel so great, so I'm gonna make some tea, get something to eat, finish edit this vlog, and charge up my camera and my battery, and head to bed. When I say I am tired, I am tired. Listen, I know for the past couple of days I have not been consistent with like the days, but when I tell you behind the scenes, I am mentally working in terms of what do I want to create. I need to create, making time for my husband, making time for my kids, making time for work, making time for everything, okay? And my marriage and my children, they come first, right? So I have to be mindful that I'm not giving too much of myself to YouTube, and then I'm not giving enough to my family, and then, oh, because I want this dream to come true, I am ruining my marriage and I'm ruining my relationship with my kids, right? So I want to be very mindful and very careful of that. So please forgive me for the inconsistencies for the past couple of days. If you're not doing Vlogmas, let me tell you, it's hard, okay? It's really, really hard, especially when you're a person who works a 9 to 5. It's really, really hard, okay? So we're ending this vlog right now. Start another one tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.